Welcome back, everybody, to the next of our text mining videocast series. This is one I'm calling the Trump Wordcloud because we're going to construct. I'm going to show you how straightforward and easy it is to construct a word cloud. And a word cloud is a visual depiction of a body of text, like a speech or a paper or declaration and so forth. And in this case, since it's March 2016 and the election season we're right in the midst of election season, and Donald Trump is leading, I'm going to pick Donald Trump's announcements, Donald Trump's presidential announcement speech, and we're going to mine this to see what it's like, and so forth. All right, so first, I'm going to, there's two libraries I need. TM, text mining, I presume it stands for, and Wordcloud. So I'm going to load these Wordcloud. I forgot to show you the input that we need. It's not the actual page, but we need the HTML code behind it, the files behind it. And you get that by right-clicking on your mouse and saying save as, and when you get this choice as to where to put it, obviously in this case you put it on the you save it as an HTML file, and I am going to put them on the desktop just so it's nice and clean and so forth. I've already done this, so I'm going to cancel right now and go back into R to show you. All right, I'm setting my desktop to be my working directory to be the desktop, so everything defaults to the desktop, and the directory just to see if it's there. And when I downloaded it, I called it Trump HTML, and it is down there. You can see it here. Anyway, so the file which I downloaded, the HTML file, is called Trump HTML, so I'm going to load it into R as an R object. It's called raw Trump. This is the raw material that we work with. Then let me just show you here. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And if you look in the bottom where the console is, you see that this is what our script looks like, all jumbled up and not very useful. So we have to clean it. And so what happens now is we proceed with a series of functions that are in TM to clean it. And every time I clean it, we are building what is called a corpus. So this one, for example, creates the corpus. This one, this function, TOLOWER, TO lowered, reduce or eliminates the caps or changes them into lower case letters. The following removes numbers. Again, the function, as you can see, the structure is a typical R function. Remove numbers. This one removes the stop words, and the stop words are high frequency words. They're common words like a, are, that, and would inevitably rise to clutter the analysis because they're used very frequently. So we will remove those. We remove punctuation, again, not very useful, excuse me. And then also we're going to strip white spaces. Often there are multiple spaces between sentences or captions or photographs and so forth. We remove those as well. In a previous run, I had identified a couple of words that I don't know where they come from, so I'm going to eliminate them here. And I'm also showing you how to remove words that this function that enables you to remove words from the corpus. Here, it's a stemming. Oh dear, I forgot the snowball C. But I don't need that actually, so I'm just going to turn this into a plain text document, and we're ready for the word cloud. And word cloud essentially is a function that assembles the word cloud. If you look here on the right hand corner, you see where the plots, the GUI spaces, you can actually see the word cloud being assembled. And this is what it looks like. Once it's all done, it is the capital, the bold, larger words are the ones that are more frequently used, and it conveys a certain picture of Donald Trump's message. All right. Let me show you the other functions here. It's just a repeat of the one function, and it's simply to show you how you can control the presentation, the display. You can actually color them and so forth, and there's quite a bit of variability of options, quite a number of parameters and options for controlling the anyway. One last time, let me show you this one. This is one of my favorite. Here it is. Again, a visual representation, this time in color, of Donald Trump's presidential candidacy announcement speech. Anyway, thank you. I hope you've enjoyed this. Next time we'll do word associations with this same body of text and so forth, so stay tuned.